In Mongolia, when a dog dies, he is buried high in the hills so people cannot walk on his grave. The dog's master whispers into the dog's ear his wishes that the dog will return as a man in his next life. Before he is reincarnated as a man, the dog's soul is free to travel the land, to run across the high desert plains for as long as it would like. I learned that from a program on the National Geographic Channel, so I believe it is true. Not all dogs return as men, only those who are ready. I am ready. I have learned so much from Denny. I have learned the principles of being a good race car driver: balance, anticipation, patience. These are very important lessons and will lead to success in life as well as on the racetrack. Denny is a true champion, though other people may not see it, because Denny has responsibilities. He has his daughter Zoe and his wife Eve, and he has me. This is what I love. I love to run in the wet grass, keeping my snout low to the ground so the sparkles of water cover my face. I love to run and smell all the smells, all the life. When I return to this world, I will be a man. I will walk among you. I will shake hands with other men, grasping firmly with my opposable thumbs. And when I see a man or a woman or a child in trouble, I will offer my hand to him, to her, to you, to the world. I will be a good citizen, a good partner in the endeavor of life that we all share. My name is Enzo, and this is my story.